Dear students, now we are going to learn about the process of digestion. Organs of the digestive system. The organs of the digestive system are mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. You can enjoy the animations in this presentation. Digestive system of human being: mouth, salivary glands, stomach, emulsification, food conversion in duodenum, functions of small intestine, absorption of food and digestion in large intestine. The mouth is the entrance for the digestive system. Here, the food is chewed to break it up into small pieces. Then the food goes through pharynx and esophagus to the stomach. Gastric glands are found on the walls of the stomach. They secrete gastric juice. Here, the digestion begins. Then the partially digested food goes to duodenum. There it is converted into tiny particles by the enzymes pancreas and bile from liver. Then the food goes to small intestine. There absorption is done by the villi. It has a network of blood capillaries and lymph capillaries. Glucose, amino acids, vitamins, minerals and water are absorbed by the blood capillaries. Fatty acids and glycerol are absorbed by the lacteals. Then the food goes to large intestine. It absorbs water from the fecal matter. Finally, the fecal material goes out from the large intestine through anus. This process is called egestion. Mouth. The mouth is the entrance for the digestive system. Here, the food is chewed to break it up into small pieces. The floor of the mouth contains a tongue. The jaws are lined by teeth in our mouth. These are called incisors, canines, premolars and molars. The teeth chew the food well. You are watching the picture of a tongue. The tongue has several sensory buds. It is the organ for the sense of taste. In this animation, you can view the position of the salivary glands in our mouth. In this animation, you can find the gastric glands on the wall of the stomach. They secrete gastric juice. This juice consists of enzymes, pepsin, renin, and gastric lipase. Pepsin converts protein into peptones. See, the protein is converted into peptones. By which enzyme? Correct, pepsin. Renin converts milk protein caseinogen into casein. See, the milk protein is converted into casein. By which enzyme? Correct, renin. Renin converts the milk protein caseinogen into casein. Pancreatic lipase cannot react directly on fat. So, the bile salts reduce the surface tension of water and can change the fat into creamy liquid with tiny particles. Now the pancreatic lipase reacts with tiny liquid particles. In this animation, you can view the changes of fat. Pancreas. Pancreas is a leaf-like digestive gland. It secretes pancreatic juice. It opens into the duodenum through a pancreatic duct. It secretes 5 enzymes. They are trypsin, carboxypeptidase, chymotrypsin, pancreatic amylase, pancreatic lipase. This is the animation of food conversion in duodenum. In duodenum, polypeptides is converted into amino acids by the enzyme carboxypeptidase. Milk protein is digested by chymotrypsin. Starch is converted into maltose by the enzyme pancreatic amylase. Protein and peptones are converted into polypeptides by the enzyme trypsin. Emulsified fat is converted into fatty acids and glycerol. You are watching the animation of the functions of small intestine. In this animation, you can view the peptones are converted into amino acids by the enzyme epipsin. See, the peptones are converted into amino acid by the enzyme epipsin. Now you are watching the polypeptides enter into the small intestine. The polypeptides are converted into amino acids by the enzyme epipsin. Now you are watching the conversion. The enzyme epipsin converts the polypeptide into amino acid. You are watching the animation of absorption of food. This is a picture of a villi. Here you can see the epithelium, lymphatic vessel, blood capillaries. Glucose, amino acids, vitamins, minerals and water are absorbed by the blood capillaries. Here you can view it. The fatty acids and glycerol are absorbed by the lacteals or lymphatic vessel. This is the picture of a large intestine. Large intestine consists of colon, rectum and anus. It absorbs water from fecal matter. This is the animation of egestion. You can view the process of egestion in this animation. Egestion is the process of removal of fecal material from the large intestine through anus. Now it's the time for evaluation.